Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Watson, and today I am going to take you on a quick tour of my new 2026 nature journal and show you all of the drawings that I completed for the New Year's Botanical Drawing Challenge. Here is my new 2026 nature journal, and I wanted to show you what I have done so far since and during the New Year's Botanical Drawing Challenge. So this is my title page, and I have just inked in part of it, just this fern and this princess pine flower. The rest I've actually just drawn in pencil this morning, and I am going to ink this and then paint all the background in one color, and then paint all the inked illustrations, and then paint a color in this circle. Once I have everything else painted, I'll decide what color will look good in the circle. And then for day 1 of the challenge, we did sword fern. Day 2, we did princess pine. Day 3, we did salal. Day 4, we did bunchberry. And day 5, we did evergreen huckleberry. Day 6, we did red huckleberry. And then day 7, the final day, we did Oregon grape. And this was such a fun challenge, and it was so great to see so many people taking part in the challenge, posting their work in the watercolor garden community. I posted all the prompts and my drawings and the progressions of these drawings on the YouTube community post area on my channel, as well as in the watercolor garden community. And then I opened up the community for a limited time for everybody to post their work. So it was really great to see so many people participating and get so much great feedback on how it helped everybody become more confident with their drawing. And honestly, just doing these 7 days drawing really helped me become more confident and quicker with my botanical drawing as well. I don't have anything on this next page. I'm still working on this page, but I'm super excited about getting this done and then starting another spread. And I'll definitely be doing more botanical drawing challenges this year. I think it was really fun. Everybody seemed to like the format. And yeah, it was just a really great experience and super helpful.